Creality CR-10 Smart Pro 3D printer supporting OTA upgrade and new tabbed interactive UI. The Smart Plus menu leveling is a comprehensive improvement, providing users with worry-free printing experience. With the Creality Cloud app, you can slice 3D models remotely, experience the fun of DIY without leaving home. LED lighting ensures the device will be recognized instantly, no matter day or night. With dual Z-axis and dual diagonal drawbars, the stable triangular tower shape can give you a better printing experience. The full metal direct extruder makes smooth feeding possible and ensures the consistent, perfect performance of the printer. You can control your 3D printer anytime and anywhere via the standard AI HD camera. You can also share your achievements with friends every corner of the world with HD video printing platform with spring steel PEI magnetic sheet. Allows you to take out the model in an easier way. CR-10 Smart Pro Empower Creation.